I have already downloaded and run the setup. Now you can experience the inner screen of Power BI desktop, and from here we will further use the services. Meanwhile, I have also registered myself on the powerbi.com website through the free sign up over here. And Microsoft has provided me around 3 months evaluation period to avail online service of Power BI and utilize its benefits. And if I fail to explore the services within the 3 months time period, so that's not the problem at all. Microsoft will again extend my trial period for 3 months to get better understanding of the online services, and I believe 6 months are enough to explore these services. So we'll go back to our screen. When you run the software, you will see the inner screen with 4 links, like what's new over here. This link will redirect you to the Power BI website. From here you can have the details of the online services of the Power BI blog. This link will take you to the Power BI blog, from where you can check the latest updates by Microsoft in terms of Power BI, or you will come to know what kind of new tools and services are being introduced in Power BI. Forums. Here you can ask questions regarding any query about the Power BI, and you can also answer queries asked by the different people around the globe. This will serve as a community platform. Tutorials, and this link will lead you to the tutorial based on the Power BI, and you can also see the overview of all the tools associated with it. So I'm closing the screen, and I will discuss this sign up and sign in stuff after creating the dashboards, and when we are looking forward to publish it. For now, our main focus is to get the understandings of the tools of the Power BI and how these tools provide us the facility of importing the data, shaping it, and how we can further share it. So in the next videos, we're gonna learn how we can import the data to make it useful for us.